everyone, this is Randy with the Kindred design team, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to assemble the House in a Hillside die set. Now this House in a Hillside die set was just released and pairs perfectly with the Size Doesn't Matter, the Journey Prequel, or the Forest Elves stamp sets. The House in a Hillside comes with a door, stepping stones, bushes, 2 different sized trees, 2 different sized windows, a large stepping stone, a roof, chimney with smoke, the hillside, the house, and a grass piece. Now I have all these pieces already die cut out and ink blended. And I'm going to start assembling the house in the hill so I can work on creating my entire card. Let's start working on assembling the pieces that go on top of the house. Now let's work on placing the house in the hill. As you can see on the bottom, there's a groove here that matches with the house, so you know where to line up the house in the hill. I have an A2 panel here that I die cut from the largest die in the Card Basics die set, and I'm going to blend it with the grass and cloud stencil from the shop. Now let's start assembling the card. I did die cut out the grass piece here, and then also a second piece for the ground that I just trimmed off the bottom and then ink blended. And then I also thought it'd be nice to use the tree scene craft die and help fill in the background with the trees, in addition to our larger trees here. So this is what my house in a hill will look like once all assembled. Now, for this card, I'm going to use the Journey Prequel stamp set. And I have my character stamped out, fussy cut, and I use Copic markers to color him. And I'm going to add him to the card, along with the sentiment that I heat embossed onto this stitch and sentiment strip. is the completed card using the House in a Hillside die set. If you have any questions, please comment down below or message me in the Facebook group. Happy crafting!